Alright, so I'm just going to make a quick video about this, about the snow here in North Carolina. So, over the last few days, people have been saying, wow, you know, on Wednesday we're going to get hit with a lot of snow, right? We're going to get hit with a lot of snow. And actually, it's going to start on, when was it first? Tuesday night, around about 11 o'clock, right? That's what I'm hearing. And then I'm also hearing, like, things, people saying, oh, it's going to snow Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. We're going to get the snow all these days, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, right? And I just don't believe any of this stuff. You know, I just take it because I'll get into that in a minute. So, so what happens is that I think this road's a bit icy here, actually, to tell you the truth. So what happens is that then we're hearing it's not gonna be Tuesday night. It's actually going to be Wednesday morning, 3 o'clock. It's going to start 3 o'clock. Then they changed it from 3 o'clock Wednesday morning to 5 o'clock. Well, guess what? It's Wednesday morning, right? And I look out, get up around about 7:30, look out, and all I see is rain, water. Just see water on the floor, right? And so I'm gonna sit on the computer, have my coffee, go put my coffee cup away when I'm getting ready for work, look out the window and it's snowing, right? But now it's 9:30. So this started actually, I think, around about 9:15, right? So it just shows you how the weather people just, you know, just haven't got a clue at all, because this apparently was going to start like 12 hours ago, something like that, you know. Anyway, we'll see how it goes. Provided the people drive at a reasonable speed in this, there shouldn't be any problems. But you get some people that, you know, want to get up behind you, right close. You get people, you know, I don't know, just be safe out there, people. Take your time, you know. Anyway, that's just my 2 cents on this whole snow. And I don't think it'll snow Thursday and Friday, but you know what? I might be wrong. But yeah, so here we are, winter wonderland. All right, that's it for this vlog. I'll try and keep you updated. Who knows? I might get stuck. Later. Bye. So I did go to work, and I've decided to come home. As you can see, this stuff is still falling, and the roads are getting worse. Looking here right now, we've got a good, let's see, maybe 2 inches. We've got 2 inches. This is what the road looks like. So, decided, because of the weather, to come home. It does look pretty though. You can actually see on the branch here, the branches like how much snow has come down, and they're saying that this is gonna be coming down till like 8-9 o'clock tonight. So yeah, we're gonna be getting a lot of snow. What's weird here as well, certain trees, the branches, especially like the ferns, that type of, the whole tree will bend double. So when it stops snowing and the roads get better, if I actually get out, I'll take some pictures of that. It looks really weird, like the top of the tree like bends down, like bends literally down, and it's like a U or an N, small N. Anyway, it's crazy. So yeah, this is the snow right now. It's about 12 o'clock ish, and yeah, that's it for the day. I'll keep you posted, alright? That is, if you're interested. Alright, bye.